And a crime alert to tell you about tonight. Winter Haven police warning the public about skimmers that were found at various gas stations around the city. Police say skimmers were found inside a pump at a Citgo station on East Central Avenue. A clerk located the device during a routine check. Another was found by law enforcement at the Circle K station on 1st Street South. Police, they still don't know how long those skimmers have been on the pumps, but the best thing you can do, they say, is if you've been to one of those gas stations, check your bank account. Always look for a security tape on gas pumps before using them.